Everyone thinks the hardest part of AI is building the perfect model. But for SAP users, the truth is that most projects stall long before the algorithm even gets a chance. Welcome to Neptune Talks, where we share short insights on SAP execution and innovation. Today, we're talking about the AI execution gap, that massive divide between what AI vendors promise and what organizations are actually able to deliver in complex SAP environments.
The execution gap really is the perfect way to describe it. You see incredible demonstrations of predictive maintenance, intelligent inventory optimization, and autonomous planning. Everything looks seamless.
Exactly. The business gets excited, budgets are approved, and then the project team hits a brick wall. And that wall usually isn't the AI model itself.
Right. It's a data and integration problem. AI needs clean, trusted, real time data to make intelligent decisions. But where does that data live? It's buried inside SAP, often spread across multiple modules, custom developments, and sometimes even different systems altogether.
Getting that data into a usable format can take months, and many AI initiatives stall right there because they simply can't access the information they need.
And that's only half of the challenge. Let's say you've solved the data problem. The AI model produces a great recommendation. Reorder these materials, reschedule this maintenance activity, adjust this delivery date. What happens next?
In many organizations, it appears on a dashboard. Then someone has to manually log into SAP and carry out the action themselves.
And that's the disconnect. It's AI that advises versus AI that executes. The real value comes from closing that loop, moving from insights to action.
Exactly. The goal isn't simply to generate recommendations, it's to enable AI-driven processes to trigger and orchestrate business actions within SAP workflows, with the appropriate levels of automation and human oversight.
And this challenge isn't limited to one type of SAP landscape. Even modern environments can struggle with integration complexity.
Absolutely. A clean S/4HANA environment offers better APIs and more standardized data models, but the reality for many organizations is very different.
That's the key point. Most SAP customers aren't operating on a perfectly clean landscape. They're running ECC or highly customized S4 environments built up over many years. Business logic is embedded everywhere. Processes have evolved over time, and custom developments are often critical to day-to-day operations.
That's the brownfield reality. You have decades of custom code and business processes that can't simply be ignored. Pointing an external AI tool directly at that complexity is incredibly difficult.
And often unrealistic without a significant modernization effort. AI needs a reliable bridge that allows it to interact safely with existing SAP business logic and processes.
So before organizations can fully benefit from AI, they need to solve a more fundamental challenge. They need a strategy for exposing SAP data and business processes in a secure and manageable way.
Exactly. It's about building an execution layer, a platform that sits on top of your SAP core, whether that's ECC or S4, helping organizations expose trusted business data and processes while simplifying application development and AI execution.
Without that layer, businesses often end up creating more point-to-point integrations that become increasingly difficult to maintain. They're trying to solve a modern problem with outdated approaches.
Which means the better question isn't which AI model should we use? It's how do we make our SAP landscape ready for AI execution? How do we build a foundation that allows AI to securely interact with enterprise processes and actually deliver value?
Exactly. It shifts the conversation away from the latest AI algorithm and towards the underlying architecture that makes enterprise AI practical and scalable.
And that's where many organizations are finding success. By focusing on the foundation first, they create an environment where AI can support real business outcomes instead of becoming another isolated technology project.
And you can find plenty of examples of organizations tackling these kinds of enterprise challenges over at neptune-software.com.
It's a pragmatic approach. Focus on what delivers measurable value rather than simply chasing the latest technology trend.
I think that's the perfect way to wrap things up. The key takeaway is this. Successful AI and SAP isn't about finding the smartest algorithm. It's about building the foundation that allows AI to securely access trusted data, execute business processes, and deliver measurable outcomes. You have to bridge the AI execution gap before you can realize the full value of enterprise AI.
Exactly. Thanks for that. And thank you to the viewers for tuning in. If you want more short insights like this on SAP, follow Neptune Talks. And if you'd like to explore these topics further, visit neptunesoftware.com.